Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make slime with only shaving cream and glue. I added my clear glue. I guess it's good for making slime. This is what it says. Okay, and now this is the kind of shaving cream I'm going to be using. I got this at Walmart. I got it at Walmart. So yeah. Add as much as you think this much glue you added. I think I added a little bit more, but that's okay. Get something to mix with. I'm using a knife and then mix it all up and it should turn to slime. Now play with it until it forms. It's starting to form. Well, it's not the best slime, but you can still make a swirl.